Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to the Make Rich Money channel. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to get rich. A lot of people have misconceptions about what it takes to amass wealth. So I'm going to dispel some of those myths for you today. The truth is that getting rich is a lot simpler than most people think, but there are a few basic principles that you need to follow. So if you are ready, let's jump in and take a closer look at them. I will advise you to watch until the end because we are going to give you some amazing tips towards the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can regularly help you with tips to grow your income. Now let's get straight into the video. 1. Invest in stocks and mutual funds. There are definitely some smart ways to invest your money and grow your wealth over time. One of the best ways to do this is by investing in stocks and mutual funds. Investing in stocks can be a great way to create passive income and build long-term wealth. When done correctly, it can offer a higher return on investment than many other types of investments. Mutual funds are another great option for growing your wealth. They offer the advantage of diversification, which can help to protect you from losses in any one particular stock. Mutual funds are also relatively easy to purchase and manage, making them a great option for investors who don't have a lot of experience with the stock market. So if you are looking for a surefire way to get rich quickly, investing in stocks and mutual funds is definitely one of the smartest things you can do. 2. Start your own business. Starting your own business is a great way to become rich. Here are 3 tips that can help you get started on the right foot. First, don't try to be everything to everyone because it's impossible. Instead, focus on a specific niche that you can serve better than anyone else. When you identify your niche, you will be able to create a brand that stands out from the crowd. Second, build a strong team. As you put together your team, look for people who complement your skills and who share your vision for the business. Third, create a detailed business plan. A well-crafted business plan will force you to think through every aspect of your business, from your target market to your marketing strategy. It's essential to have a roadmap in place before you launch your business. So take the time to create a comprehensive plan. Following these tips will give you a much better chance of building a successful business from the ground up. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. 3. Invest in real estate. There are many ways to get rich, but one of the most popular is through investing in real estate. Real estate can provide a steady stream of income and build equity over time. However, it is important to do your research before investing in real estate. Here are some tips to help you get started. First, consider your financial goals. What are you looking to achieve by investing in real estate? Do you want to generate income, build equity, or both? Once you know your goals, you can start researching different types of real estate investments. Next, consider your budget. How much money do you have to invest in real estate? Be sure to factor in the cost of purchasing property, as well as the ongoing cost of maintenance and repairs. Finally, do your homework. Before making any investments, it is important to learn as much as you can about the real estate markets. This includes understanding the different types of properties available, as well as the risks and rewards associated with each type of investment. By doing your homework, you will be better prepared to make smart real estate investments that can help you achieve your financial goals. 4. Be different, add value. Conventional thinking would have you believe that the surest way to get rich are through winning the lottery or being born into a wealthy family. However, history is full of people who have achieved great wealth through their own hard work and determination. In fact, many of the world's most successful people have gone against the grain and achieved success by doing things differently. If you want to be successful, you need to be different. You need to find a way to add value that is not already being provided by others. This can be done in a number of ways, but it all comes down to providing something that others need or want and are willing to pay for it. It doesn't matter what your background is or how much money you have starting out. What matters is that you are willing to think outside the box and work hard to make your dreams a reality. So if you are looking for ways to get rich quickly, start thinking about how you can be different and add value to the world. 5. Have multiple streams of income. There are definitely some proven methods for building wealth over time. One of the most effective ways to do this is to diversify your income streams. First, it helps to protect you from financial shocks. If one source of income dries up, you will still have others to fall back on. Second, it can help you to grow your wealth more quickly. Having multiple sources of income gives you more opportunities to invest and build your nest egg. Finally, diversifying your income can make you happier and less stressed. A study by the University of London found that people with diverse incomes reported higher levels of life satisfaction than those who relied on a single source of income. For example, let's say you have a full-time job that pays $60,000 per year. If you also have a part-time job that pays $1,000 per month and generates $500 per month from passive income sources, then you have a total of $6,500 per month coming in. Now, let's say that your full-time job is eliminated or experiences a sharp decrease in pay. Suddenly, you are not relying on just one income stream anymore. You still have two others to help make ends meet. So how can you diversify your income? There are many ways to do it. You could start a side hustle or launch an investment portfolio. You could also think about ways to increase your earnings from your day job. For example, you could ask for a raise or start working overtime. Whatever approach you take, diversifying your income is a smart way to improve your financial security and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. 6. Learn high income skills. There are many different ways to make money. One sure way to earn a high income is by developing high income skills. These are skills that allow you to generate a lot of value in a short period of time and command a high price for your services. Examples of high income skills include software development, marketing, sales, and web design, and so on and so forth. If you are willing to put in the work to develop these skills, you can achieve financial success on your own terms. So don't wait for someone else to hand you a golden opportunity. Go out and create your own. With the right skills, anyone can become a high income earner. 7. Live below your means. There is a way to become rich that is much more attainable, and that is living below your means. It means spending less than you earn and investing the difference. Over time, this can lead to a significant increase in wealth. One of the key advantages of this strategy is that it doesn't require a large amount of money to get started. Even if you only have a small amount of savings, you can still begin investing and reaping the rewards. Of course, living below your means is not always easy. It requires discipline and sacrifice. But if you are willing to make these sacrifices, it can be an incredibly effective way to build wealth over time. So if you are looking for a surefire way to get rich, start living below your means. 8. Hang out with the right people. To be clear, there are many definitions of rich, but for the purposes of this conversation, we will focus on two things: money and influence. Money is, of course, a main indicator of success, and influence can be thought of as potential money. The more influential you are, the more opportunities you have to make money. Remember, if you want to get rich, you need to be hanging out with the right people. The right people are those who are actually doing something to make money, taking risks, and are happy with what they are doing. So take a look at your current social circle and ask yourself if these are the kind of people who will help you achieve your goals. If not, it might be time to make new friends. 9. Plan your strategy. There are some tried and true methods for building wealth over time. If you are open to one day becoming a millionaire, it's important to start planning your strategy now. Think long term. When it comes to building wealth, it's important to think long term. That means setting goals and making decisions that will benefit you not just for today, but years down the road. So if you are tempted to make an impulsive purchase, ask yourself if it's something that will still be worth having 10 years from now. By following these tips, you will be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. So don't wait, start planning your strategy today. 10. Have a positive attitude towards wealth. One of the most important things we can do is to have a positive attitude towards wealth. Too often, we allow our own negative beliefs about money to hold us back from achieving our goals. We tell ourselves that we are not good enough or that we don't deserve to be wealthy. But if we want to attract more money into our lives, we need to start changing our mindset. Wealth is something that is available to all of us, but it starts with believing that we are worthy of it. Once we change our thinking, anything becomes possible. So if you are ready to start attracting more wealth into your life, remember to keep a positive attitude and stay focused on your goals. With hard work and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that you can stay up to date with future content.